What's going on, guys? Amir here. Just gonna do some Sunday evening analysis for the week to kind of get things set up. Just kind of what I usually do for Sunday evening. I usually also don't trade on Mondays, so I just kind of set up my alerts or whatever, so I can go in and kind of place trades when I see them. That usually kind of happens later in the week, earliest to take a trade would probably be Tuesday. As I've found out that my trades to start on Monday usually don't pan out so well. Very very low rate of winning those trades. So I just kind of go down my watch list here and just kind of look and see where we are. Usually I clean these up, but I just do these on here now. Alright, so Euro Pound, the daily, we are kind of moving this channel up, so probably looking for possibly some buys here. If we go down to the 4 hour, we can see we kind of broke this little area here. But I don't know, it's kind of a wonky level, so I don't know if I would really take this because you also have to look out for this level right here. But I mean, this could be a good area to take a long at, but I'm not gonna be taking this right now. As I was telling you earlier, I usually don't take trades on Sundays and Mondays, so if it could break this area right here, then definitely looking to go in for a buy there, or if it comes back down here to test these levels, that'd be great. Go in and take a buy around there. So yeah, let's see, we got pound yen. Let's remove all these drawings here, start clean. So pound yen, we're kind of going in kind of a range right now, so I kind of would want to just kind of stay out of this for the week unless we kind of get some direction on the upside or the downside here. I'm probably gonna just kind of sit this one out. I usually kind of indicate my lack of wanting to trade in this pair by just kind of, if it's range bound, kind of keeping this rectangle here. Let's see, click this too. Pound yen, kind of more the same. We've kind of been in a big range on the daily for a while now, so yeah, I don't know. It's not a really good looking pair. On the one hand, we're kind of making some higher lows here, but we also seem to kind of just be range bound, so I'm probably not gonna jump in any trades here. Yeah. All right, let's see. Pound Aussie. All right, so we're clearly going down here on the daily chart, so we're kind of about to test these levels here, which is great, because then we can look to some of these levels here for possible targets. So yeah, actually this actually looks really good. Gonna probably wait for an entry on this with the kind of a break and retest of, shit, I can't click that. Okay, just kind of a break below this level here and kind of pull back to retest, and then just kind of see how price reacts once it finally breaks this area and comes back to this zone here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that on my watch list up here. All right, pound CAD. Yeah, again, we're kind of just in a range of this one, so I don't really feel like I want to really trade this. Sorry, I'm gonna go back to the daily here. Actually, we've been kind of in a downtrend, but now we're definitely in a type of consolidation here, possibly looking to break out and kind of continue on this larger range. So I'm probably just gonna stay on this one. Let's see, pound Swiss. Yeah, we've kind of been like kind of making some lower highs here and some lower lows, so we could be in a downtrend, but right now we're just kind of in a consolidation pattern here, so maybe might look to see what happens if it breaks out of this range here that we've been in for since April. Yeah, probably stick out this one. This one is actually, let's see, pound kiwi. All right, so again, we're in a pretty clear downtrend here. As you can see, we're kind of going down. Currently hitting this chop zone right here. So I'm kind of just like waiting out right here, but this actually looks good for some key levels we might be able to hit either here or even here. So yeah, definitely looking to go short here once we break this area. Maybe once we break out of this range that we've consolidation zone that we've been in, breaking lower. Or just kind of might wait to see how it reacts to around this area here and breaks through and then pulls back, and then how it reacts there. But this looks good for shorts, so I will put this on watch. All right, let's see, Euro USD. Yeah, so right now we're at the daily highs of this pair. As you can see, we're kind of like right around this level here. So, I mean, as of recently, we've been since the end of May, we've been looking like we have some strong bullish action here, but there's definitely going to be some reaction around this level for sure. As you can see, we're kind of inching up towards that. So maybe possibly even look for a buy if we can break above this area and come back, pull back, and retest. So give them a maybe. Euro yen. I've actually been sitting on this position since this retest here last week. Yeah, I'm not really sure because we're clearly in a downtrend, so it kind of goes against what I'm thinking for this pair. So maybe I gotta rethink that. Yeah. But yeah, we clearly had some bullish, huge movements in the euro pairs across the board here. So probably just kind of look to see what kind of happens around this area here. If we can kind of break above this level, come back, pull back, retest, and kind of get through this trend line, then we possibly have a chance of kind of going up here. But it's pretty strong, downtrend. But euro had some good news, this May. So seeing if we can break over this. So, I'm actually still in this position, so I'm still pretty bullish up until we get to this area, and then I'm probably going to close out of my position up here and then reevaluate just the reaction of price at that level. All right, Euro CAD. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of messy. Like I said, with all the euro pairs across the board, we kind of have this huge movement up here, but now we're kind of just in this messy range zone. So, kind of waiting to see more direction probably with this pair. See if we can break up north to here, maybe. Maybe even see what goes on above this level here. We can break out and retest it and just try to move further north to maybe look at some targets up here. Perhaps. Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably gonna set out this one will probably make its move. Looks like it's trying to break above it, so probably happening either tonight or tomorrow. Tonight is an Asian session, and tomorrow in London or maybe US. All right, Euro CAD. Oh shit. All right, Euro Kiwi. Okay, so we are in a clear downtrend with this one, so I'm definitely digging this. We seem to be in a little bit of a consolidation at this point right now with these levels, so kind of look for a break of these lows here, this range that we've kind of been in, to probably target maybe probably these lows right here. Yeah, looks like a really good area. So yeah, looking to continue this. So Euro and CD, hopefully this should look like it'll play out some point later this week. So it looks like a good solid setup. All right, Euro Swiss. Yeah, we're in the daily downtrend, so that's some good price here. So we've kind of like with all the Euro pairs, we've been kind of had some really positive news beginning of this month. So we had some correction. Looks like we tried to go up there again, but failed to make some highs. So yeah, I'm looking at this level here. This looks like also a good trade to jump in on, but it's a little messy. I would like to get in around here, but obviously it's Sunday, so that goes against my rules. So kind of see where price leads us the rest of the week. But this is looking good for a breakthrough of these levels and a retest, so keep on the watch. All right, Euro Aussie. We were in a downtrend, but it kind of looks like we may have hit this little zone right here. We are just kind of deciding on where to go. So this might be good if we break out below this level here and have a pullback and a strong reaction. So I'm gonna keep this on the back burner, but it does look like a potential good opportunity if it does show some strong action there. Same thing with the Euro Kiwi here. We're definitely in a downtrend, but definitely have a little bit of consolidation. Actually, I like this setup a little better. Yeah, so we have a couple levels here we can kind of look to. So I like the setup on this one. So we'll see if this breaks below this zone here, comes back and retouches. So keep that back burner. So I guess a lot of the Euro pairs are going to be in play. All right, now for the US dollar pairs. I've been really liking to trade USD peso. The beginning of June, but now we're kind of in a weird kind of range here, so I'll probably stick out of this pair once we decide what direction we want to go in. All right, US Swiss. Kind of in a downtrend, but we're also in this like just big range, so I can't say we've actually no, excuse me. We're kind of in an uptrend, so we're in an uptrend here. So this is kind of looking good. It looks like we're just kind of like range bound a little bit here. We've kind of reached this top level, but we're also sitting right above this zone right here. So this might be good for moving up, but sure, why not? I'll watch it. I don't do range plays, but this might be a good setup for someone who would want to do that. You know, just kind of wait to see if price reacts at this level here, and then just kind of put, you know, just kind of your targets. So you kind of get like a 1 to 1.5, so not bad. I personally do range trade, especially because it was probably going to react to either tonight or tomorrow, and I'm not jumping on any trades around then. Yeah, so definitely like a break from this zone here up would be a good candidate for a buy. But we'll see. I'll be looking at more towards this area. If it can break it this week, I will definitely be looking at it. All right, so we've definitely been in a downtrend with the US CAD, as you can see here, but we're kind of in a range, so I'll be looking to trying to, oops, yeah, definitely range. Looking to possibly start, you know, looking for positions to sell once we break out of this range here, come back and retest these previous support levels here. So actually that looks good. I'll keep that. All right. So we are definitely going down on the US Swiss. Again, we're kind of at this level here, so looking to possibly break that level, then maybe look at some targets around here. Probably a lot better because you can get a strong reaction here. So yeah, that could be a good potential position there. Let's see. This is, you know, has a good risk to reward, since it wouldn't make sense to not do it, so we kind of keep our stop with this reward. Yeah, you can kind of get it. We can kind of get it safely around like a 1-to-1. So yeah, this could be a potential worth it. Just seeing how price reacts at this level. So yeah, I'll keep that one there. USD JPY. Not had a good time with this pair. We're kind of just ranging. Usually the yen is kind of a sign that it's kind of a safe haven currency. So the fact that we're stalled here is that people are just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen, I guess. My best guess. Who knows what actually is going on. All right, so Aussie dollar, we've been on a tear with this one, and we're actually at a level, looks like pretty strong daily level here, so it looks like we actually can continue over it this way. So yeah, I'll definitely be looking at a break above this level, pull back and retest. Yeah, this looks great. This is a very solid play, something like that. With this one, let's go back to daily levels to kind of see where we can put some targets at. Yeah, so this definitely has some good opportunities, since some of the next levels that we would hit would be up there. So yeah, definitely can get like a 1.3. So depending on like what you get it in, depending on price reacts levels and what levels you got in, and you can get, you know, definitely well over a 1-to-1 risk reward. So this is definitely one I will be watching. Aussie CAD, same thing. Looks like, yeah, we've been on a tear. Just no, excuse me. Let me clear up all my drawings. I like to redo all my drawings so I have a fresh start to the week. So none of my biases from last week kind of continue on. And let's look for some levels here. So right now we're just kind of sitting around. Actually, this is kind of got some funky levels here. All right, so we kind of are piercing this zone right here. So we're definitely looking like price is wanting to break it. But some next levels we could try to target with this one are, oh shit, excuse me. All right, some next targets. You know, you do this guy, this level right here. That's definitely well over a 1-1. So yeah, that looks definitely good for me. Aussie CAD, you are on the watch. Same thing as last week, although the Aussie Swiss franc, we've been kind of, I guess we'd say hold that, but actually, Aussie Swiss franc's kind of weird. So we're still kind of in a downtrend. We haven't really, I'd say if we will break this downtrend once we break this level here, perhaps. So I don't know, because it does look like the Aussie CAD, but yeah, I mean, these past couple days we've had some strong up movements. So yeah, I might just kind of wait this one out and just kind of see how it plays out. But it does look pretty interesting. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes this week. Okay, Aus New Zealand. We've been an uptrend, but we're kind of like ranging now, so we kind of might come back down here to go back to these lows here. I don't know. It looks like we're just like in an overall range, so I'm not gonna touch this one. Aussie yen. Okay, so kind of similar to that Aussie Swiss, we've kind of been in a downtrend, but it looks like, looks like we might be going up to break this level. So if we can break this zone up here, I think it would be safe to buy on the reaction of a pullback if this level breaks up here. So I'll kind of keep that in the back pocket. Okay, so yeah, kind of like the Aussie Swiss, the New Zealand yen, we are in, I still think we're in a downtrend. So yeah, we have this huge daily downtrend, so I'm gonna kind of just look for possible shorts here later this week. So this kind of looks good. Exactly what levels? I don't know, actually. So we consolidated these levels here, so maybe just kind of a break of this general area. I'll probably look to go short. Like a lot already set up. All right. Okay, so looks like we've been kind of let's see, Kiwi CAD kind of been in a downtrend, but looking at relative strength the past few months here. Shit, sorry. Okay. So yeah, clearly we've been going down in price since we're making lower highs and lower lows here, so that cannot be disputed, but we are sitting right now at this level we are currently. Yeah, this might look possibly good for, for a correction downwards, I would say. So probably looking for shorts on this NZD CAD pair. Maybe wait till it gets up here, and then kind of breaks back below these levels and retests. So same thing with the New Zealand Swiss. We're kind of still on the downtrend. But as of lately, we've been on this like uptrend, so probably just sit this one out, just kind of until price kind of knows what it wants to do here. Kind of maybe another retest here and a huge rejection. That'd be nice. Right now we're sitting right below like this zone here, so yeah, we'll see what happens this week. Probably most likely gonna stay out of this pair since I'm not so clear. It's just not super clear to me. All right, Kiwi USD. Okay, so again, like all the Kiwi pairs, we've been kind of going on a downward kind of momentum here, but have some relative strength the past since April. So looks like we're trying to buck the trend here. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna stay out of this one. Yeah, they probably see where price reacts. Maybe if it falls below here, it comes back and retests. I might want to get in on this since it looks like it's, I don't know, it's a lot of relative strength to the upside. So I might stay clear of this one actually, just because I'm not totally sure of direction as of late, since this is, you know, super strong strength. So super strong strength. All right. CAD yen is just too kind of range bound. I mean, we've been on a little bit of a downward momentum here, but just overall range, and then just a lot of mess here. I don't really want to jump on those. CAD Swiss. Okay. So it looks like we might. Okay, so we recently broke this level here, so this would have been a nice trade had I seen it. Yeah, so it looks like we actually might be moving down now, but it's so choppy in this area. I just might want to stick out of it altogether up until we clear these lows here. But this looks good for a possible sell once we, you know, get this chop zone. Let's see, CAD yen. Yeah, I'm not really seeing too much. All right, let's go to oil. Oil, we've been, you know, kind of coming back from our crazy levels as of earlier this year. Right now, we're just kind of sitting pretty under this zone. Price looks like it wants to keep moving up. Still not sure in any clear direction. Just kind of wait and see around this area. Let's see, sorry, natural gas. We still are in a downtrend actually with natural gas, so possibly looking for a break of, I don't know, this is a pretty strong level here, but $1.50 to keep going short. Let's see, gold. We are going up. Thank you, JPOW, and printing endless amounts of money. So yeah, we're clearly going up here. We're right now in a little bit of a consolidation zone. It would be nice if we had that opportunity last week, but I definitely did not see that. But it'd be nice if we came back, tested this level, and rejected. This would be a good area for a buy. I'm looking longs for gold. I like this. Let's see, silver. What do we got? Okay, so we're kind of at like these highs right now. So I guess we can see what happens when we break that. Yeah, it's looking. Yeah, I kind of broke this zone here, so it's a little choppy, but it looks like there's some strength in silver. I'm just kind of waiting to see if we can break out of this area here, come back, pull back, retest. So probably not going to do any of the bonds or softs this week, so we already have enough looking at the pairs. So yeah, guys. Again, thanks for watching, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to keep doing, and I'll make them. All right.